Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to make plantain and oatmeal porridge. Guys, here are the ingredients that I will be using. This is the plantain. And this is how I peel it for the porridge. This is my oats, Fosca oats, and here are other ingredients. I have some salt, condensed milk, my cinnamon, vanilla extract, almond essence. Over here I have nutmeg and my measuring cup. Okay guys, so what I'm gonna do first, I already heat one over here, so what I'm gonna do is show you how to peel a plantain or a banana. Okay guys, so first of all, you're gonna take these two tips off, top and bottom, and slice it, and with this you just do it like that. Okay, and then you're going to use your knife, the point, hold the knife a little bit short, and you're going to core the banana or the plantain, and you're gonna push the knife underneath the skin and to give an open for you to peel it with your hand. So you're going to be like pulling the skin back. You guys, just pulling the skin off the banana. Okay, that's how you peel the banana with your hand. Okay, you just pour open the banana and then, or the plantain rather, and then you peel off the skin with your hand. This is how it should be looked. It should look like. And then if there is this green part that is very stainy, so you're gonna use a knife to take off those pieces or those parts, those greenness. Okay, you take your knife off and you're just going to kind of scrape it along, or you could use it to cut it off. Okay guys, and this is how you peel your banana. Okay, what I'm gonna do now is cut up my plantain to put into the blender small. Okay, so I'm just using a knife to cut it into pieces because I'm going to blend it. So I'm gonna pour my plantain into my blender. Okay guys, also my oats, I'm gonna put like a half cup of oats as well in my blender to be blended along with the plantain. So I'm measuring half cup of Fosca oats, or any oats, half cup of oats into my measuring cup, and I'm going to pour it here as well, alongside with some water. Okay guys, about 2 cups of water. Okay, and then I'm going to blend. So here I have my blender. Also, I have my cinnamon sticks, guys, cinnamon stick, which these cinnamon stick goes into the pot, a boiling pot of water. It goes into the pot and it's boiled with, you have it boiled together with the water. Okay, so my plantain and oats has finished blending. Okay, I'm gonna add chopped salt inside the pot. Okay guys, I'm gonna pour the mixture into the water, the boiling water here. mixture of, and just whisk. Have a whisk, you whisk it so it don't get lumpy. You know. This is a really nourishing porridge, you know, very healthy, very creamy. 15 minutes, everything, this porridge should be boiled. Give it 15 minutes to boil. So you continue to whisk your porridge as it's boiled. See? That's how you want it to be. Okay? But I like it this way, not too thick. Okay guys. And now you can grate your fresh nutmeg. So use my little grater. So I'm going to use it to grate the nutmeg. Okay guys. I'm going to put in all my spices inside here. You can get the fresh one. You can get the powdered one. But you know, when you're used to a thing, you know, you continue to do it. So I used to be grating the nutmeg over the porridge, so it gives a sense of me making porridge, you know. So I'm gonna add some vanilla essence inside as well. About a cover full of that to pour vanilla, and that's it. I'm just gonna stir in my spices. Guys, it smells so lovely inside here. The almond essence and vanilla extract smell amazing, alongside with the nutmeg, and also I still have my cinnamon stick inside. Smells so good. I'm just gonna give it 5 more minutes, and then I'm gonna turn the stove off, and I'm going to put my condensed milk inside here. Guys, it smells amazing inside here. Guys, you can make this porridge. It's just a lovely tasting porridge, guys. All you need is you can use green banana as well. So next time I'll make green banana porridge as well to show you how it is how to make these porridges. Okay guys, and you could also use oats. You could as well, if you don't have oats, you can use a tidbit of flour. We just need it for the thickening of the porridge, guys. This buying the plantain to get it more thicker. Okay, that's all that is for the flour. But with the oats, and oats is very nutritious, and the plantain, it's combined together very nicely. Okay guys, this porridge is a must have in the morning for breakfast. Okay guys, all you need, some people, you could have crackers, you could have a toast, you know, a boiled egg, and your porridge, your dinner or your breakfast will be completed for the day. Okay guys, let's keep stirring. So at this time, the porridge is finished. So I'm gonna add my milk inside here. So I'm gonna cut it open. Let me rinse it off. Always rinse your can off, okay guys? So, and just dry it off really. So I have my opener. I'm gonna open the can. I'm gonna pour the milk and stir. If you don't have condensed milk, you can use brown sugar alongside with any type of milk of your choice, okay? Or if you don't want sugar inside, you don't put sugar inside there, you can up the sugar, okay? Wow, guys, look at the creaminess. Wow, so lovely. Okay, guys, let me taste to see if needed any more sugar or milk. Perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Wow, guys. So creamy, so rich, so tasty, so divine. Ooh, look at that. Guys, this porridge is a must-have. Okay, guys, you should try it. So nice. Great breakfast choice, guys. Great breakfast choice. Okay, guys, I have my bowl here. Wow, guys. Such a rich, tasty, creamy porridge, guys. So lovely. If you have for kids or babies, guys, this is something you could do for your child. You know, very nice. When my son was smaller, this is mostly what he had porridge. He just loved them. Different types of porridge: banana, cornmeal, oats. You know, guys, harmony corn. Porridge is good. In Jamaica, we do a lot of porridge and a lot of soups. So I'm going to put my garnishes. I don't know what it's gonna say. And I'm just gonna grate some extra nutmeg on top. Guys, it's amazing. This is amazing. Ooh. That's amazing. Ooh. Lovely porridge, guys. Okay, guys, let's try this porridge together. This is a lovely, lovely, lovely porridge. Smells amazing. Okay. So good. So creamy, so flavorful. Oh gosh, this is amazing. Amazing porridge, guys. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Tell a friend or your family, you know, to subscribe as well. Okay, guys. Please also comment and don't forget to hit the notification bell so every time when I post the video, you're first to see it. Okay, guys. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.